Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this device. So first of all, we need to open Settings, then find and pick About Phone, we've got it at the top of the list, and go to Backup and Restore. Here go a bit lower, and under Google Backups, you will find Backup My Data. Just mark it, and if you truly want to activate automatic Google Backup, just tap on the switcher. And that's it, let's go back. And it has been already applied. However, if you are not logged in with your Google account yet, you will have to provide the email address or phone number and then the password to complete the process. So this is it, this is how you can turn on Google Backup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.